Hi students, welcome to computer class. Normally the last class we are discussed, not only in last class, normally we are discussed about how to work on the MS Word and how to formatting in MS Word, features of MS Word and how to create a tables in MS Word we are discussed. Today our topic is working with objects in MS Word. Suppose we want to insert some pictures or anything else, means how to work on this MS Word. Okay, ma'am. Normally, plain simple words in a document can at times be dull and confusing. So suppose we are typing normally, simple words we are typing means it's not a look good. Good. Okay, ma'am. Suppose it's make a dull thing. Okay, ma'am. So to illustrate your point, you usually and pictures or drawings you want to add means which make our document more interesting. Yes or no? So plain simple words it's make it our document is good. No. So we want to insert here some pictures or drawings means it's something special. Okay, ma'am. Yes, something interesting document. Okay, ma'am. Things other than text and tables that can be inserted in MS Word document are called object. Yes, that means except text, we are inserting tables and pictures. No, that's called is what is that? Objects. So we are going to discuss about some objects in MS Word. Okay, ma? First thing is word art. The word implies word art. Yes or no? So the art word is will be in attractive of text in a document. That's called what is it? Word art. Word art is the option in MS Word that is used to insert attractive text. Is there no? Attractive text in a document. With the help of word art, you can type text in different styles. Which option here used to attractive text to make it here? Yeah, word art. You can use it to create colored, shadowed or rotate text. Okay, now we are going to discuss about how to insert a word or object. Okay, first of all you want to click insert tab. Which tab? Insert tab in the text group. What is this? In the text group. See here, where is text group occupy? Here pages, tables, illustration, link, comment, header and footer, text. Yeah, this is a text group. In the text group, click the word art option. See here, word art option is there? No, yes, just you click it, word art option. Next, a list of word art styles appears. Yes or no? List of word art styles will appear here. Next, select the word art style of your choice. Select the word art style of your choice. We want to select any one of the choice here. I am selected this one. Next, okay, ma. Next, edit word art text dialog box opens. Yes or no? Yes. The edit. What is that? Word art dialog box appears here. Next, click the font drop down arrow and choose in the desired font. Yeah, suppose you need different styles of font means you want to select the font style. Okay, ma? Choose. I'm selecting this type of font. I'm selected. Then click the size drop down arrow and choose the desired font size. Size also you want to select it. Okay, ma? Next. Uh, You can also select the text style also. Text style, maybe you need a bold style or italic or underline means you want to select it. Then you want to type the text here. Then you want to type the text. For example, I am typing here 5th standard. Okay, computer science. Then you click OK. After finishing your work, just you put it enter, otherwise OK. You get some pictures. Okay, some text in different styles. Appu, can you understand or not how to inserting a word art? Yes. First of all, you want to click the insert tab. Next, in the text group, you want to select a word art option. It's having a many options. Which type of style you need, you select it. Then after selecting the word art style, that dialog box, that means the text dialog box will appear. Next, you go and click the font size and the font style. You want to select it. Then you type something on the screen. Then you click OK. This is a word art option. Then we are going to discuss about clip art option. What is this about? Clip art. A clip art is a collection of images from where you can choose an image and insert in your document. Okay, ma'am. Clip art means it's nothing but collection of images from our system. Okay, or from our location or from our document. Okay, ma'am. So clip art is a collection of images from where you can choose an image and insert in your document. In the clipboard gallery, the pictures are arranged category wise. It's arranged in a category wise. This makes it easier to search for the pictures you need. For the next topic is inserting a picture. We want to insert the picture in our document. See, pictures make a document more attractive. Yes or no? Yeah. In MS Word, you can insert pictures of your choice at the desired place. Okay, well, shall we see the steps now how to insert a picture? Yeah. First of all, you want to click Insert tab. Which tab? Insert tab. Next, click a picture in the illustration groups. Yes, in this illustration groups, we want to click the pictures option. Okay, ma, the insert picture dialog box appears. Then you want to locate the picture and then click the insert button. Okay, first of all, you want to select any one of the pictures here. Okay, ma, I want to click this picture. Then you click insert option. This picture is appear here or not? Yes or no? Yes. Can you understand or not how to insert the pictures in the document? Yes, just you want to select which type of pictures you need. See here, yes. Otherwise you select this type of pictures. Select this, otherwise this one. Okay, ma'am. Yes. Next, drawing objects in MS Word 2010. We want to draw objects in MS Word 2010. Next, illustration groups under the Insert tab provides tools for creating shapes like lines, arrows, rectangles and circles. The shapes you create in an MS Word document are called drawing objects. Up in this illustration groups where is located Insert tab. In these illustration groups, it's under the Insert tab. Okay, well, it's under the Insert tab provides tools for creating. Okay, well, tools for creating shapes. Which type of shapes like see lines? What is this? Lines, arrows, rectangles. Okay, wow. Black arrows, flow charts, stars and banners and circles. The shapes you create in MS Word document are called these shapes. Okay, ma'am. You create in an MS Word document are called what is the drawing object. These are the drawing objects. Okay. Now we want to insert a simple lines or shapes in MS Word. Shall we see the steps now? Yes. First of all, you want to click the Insert tab. Then you go to the Shapes Illustration group. In the Illustration group, click the Shapes button. Okay, then you choose the required shape. So I am selecting this type of shapes. Then you click and drag. Okay, click and drag to draw the shape. Click and drag. Okay, click and drag to draw the shape. Can you understand or not? Yes, suppose in MS Word you can change the appearance of your drawing. Suppose you want to change this appearance of the drawing means you want to follow these steps. Okay, select the drawing object. Select, that means drawing object. You want to select this drawing object. Okay, then format tab appears under drawing tools. Yeah, it's double click in the shape styles. You want to format. See here, you want to select any one of the color. Okay, shape outline. See here, changed or not? Yes. Double click this picture. Shape effect, shadow. Which type of shadow? Okay, what this is the formatting in the drawing tools. Okay, wow. Yes. Appu, can you understand these two topics? Yeah. Thank you.